everyone, my name is Eva Jonathan. I will show you my room tour of my living room. This is my television and this is my table. This is my sofa. The color of my living room is big, and as you can see, my living room is big and so comfy. My family and I like to spend our time here. That is it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, my name is Kenzie. Today I will show you my room tour of my bedroom. A bedroom is private room where people usually sleep for night or relax during day. Now I will show you all of them. This is my bed, this is my pillow, this is my desk, this is my chair, this is my mirror, this is my lamp, this is my stool, this is my computer, this is my carpet, this is my bedroom, this is my TV, and this is my toys collections.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabil. Today I will show my bedroom. This is my chair, this is my table, this is my bed, this is my cupboard. I have many dolls in my bedroom, like a monkey dolls, Shinchan doll, Ninja Turtle dolls, and the others. The color of my bedroom is rainbow color. And you can see my bedroom is small room but nice. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Today I will give you a tour of my house. Come on, check it out. This is my living room. This is the chair. This is the sofa. And this is the television. This is our family house. Here is my bedroom. This is my chair. This is the TV. This is my wardrobe.
Guys, today I'm gonna show you my living room. Okay, so this is my table. My table is made out of wood and it's colored orange and white. Then there is this my sofa. It's colored white too, like the table. Black. Then the pillow. There is gold, I think. Yes, and then here's my fan. It's red, black, and has three different modes. And this is my carpet. My carpet is black, white, red, and gray. I like it. And my living room is colored yellow. And I forgot to tell you, and this is my curtain. It's red, gold, and this is the second one. I think it's called white. And yeah. Oh, there is my cup. Thank you for watching. If this is my video, I think so. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
everyone, my name is Krishna and now I will show you my living room tour. Here we go. First, this is my television. This is used for watching films or some news. And as you can see, there's some photo frame. And this is the table. The table color is green. And this is the living room chairs. The color is brown. My family often sit here. And this is the window. I close this when turned dark. And this is the table. This table color is brown. Okay guys, that's it for my living room tour. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.